Good morning everyone. This is my project for Determined AI Hackathon. So I run the Determined AI in the web with the GUI, and I'm also using the cloud, Determined AI Cloud. This is the cluster I have currently. So the project I have is efficient distributing training with Determined AI. The code uses Cipher-10 datasets, a common benchmark dataset for image classification. The model architecture is a convolutional neural network that consists of two convolutional layers, max pool. So here's the dev post I have. And here's the determined cloud that I use, the cluster. This is the cluster I have. Connected agent is 1. This is the GPU pool. As you can see, it's the CUDA slots allocated. I'm using NVIDIA T4 Tensor Core GPU, and type is AWS. Its type is G4DN X large. Connected agents 1. Scheduler type is fair share. And here's the code I have currently. The Cipher-10 underscore train and model. These are the codes I have to define the model architecture, to compile the model, to train the model, evaluate the model. This is the code I have, and here's the running. The code result earlier is the result 2. Here's the torch I am currently. Here's above is the Keras codes, and below is the torch. Here's the number epoch and the training model. Define loss function optimizer, the train model code, and here's the result. Fast data. I have downloaded the Cipher-10 batch and the batches that I have downloaded. Here's the result of the training. Sir loss 1.805, 1.477, 0.43, 1000 to loss to 0.91 in the finished training of the Cipher-10 underscore training. Here's the other codes I also want to share to Cipher-10 that has some errors and difficulties I'm currently debugging. Thank you for listening, and this is my project for Determined AI.